Today's episode is Caesar salad. Yum! Hi, welcome. This is episode 2 of the Singing Keto Friendly Chef, and today I am going to teach you how I make Caesar salad. But first, I'm going to sing a song for you. I am your singing keto friendly chef, your keto friendly chef. I love great food and I'm gonna fix it now, and I will show you how. You will be happy if you follow what I say. And then tomorrow you'll be happy when you wake. There may be times when you don't know what to make, can't eat another steak. You need variety. Yes, you do, you know you do, you really do. Just make it like I tell you, and I know you'll love it. And if you do, then won't you please just give me credit, 'cause I am your singing keto friendly chef. There may be times when you crave a chocolate cake, but don't make that mistake. You just need variety. Yes, you do. You know you do. You really do. Just make it like I tell you, and I know you love it. And when you do, just won't you please just give me credit, 'cause I am your singing keto friendly chef. Caesar salad tonight. I've got 2 romaine lettuce. Now, I am a super believer in washing your lettuce and drying it and having your lettuce leaves chilled perfectly before you serve the salad. So this salad spinner gets all the water and it collects down here, and it gets the lettuce nice and dry. Okay, now I'm really excited to show you this. This is like a family heirloom. I have had this for 25 years. It's made out of 1 piece of wood. You season it when you get it, and you bring it out, and I don't know, it's wonderful. It's my bowl. I love it. So this is my Valentine's Day special, and it is probably surprising to you that I'm doing something with garlic, but you know what? If both of you have it, then you won't even notice how stinky you are, and only other people, or that come around you, they might notice, but who cares if you're going to be with your love. You can fluctuate how much garlic you want in there. 2 to 3 is good. It's my garlic press, and I'm going to put the garlic in here, smash it. One time I watched a Julia Child show, and she used her press, and she would, this one actually requires some strength, but with the fork. And then I'm gonna put some of that fleur de sel salt in there, and I'd say about a teaspoon. Go ahead and add some fresh ground pepper. Okay, the next thing I'm adding is, and if you watched my episode 1, you heard me bragging about the green peppercorn Dijon mustard. This calls for 1 tablespoon. And now I'm gonna add add some Worcestershire. Now, Worcestershire, Leon Parents. Just put in that much. I don't measure it. I'm not the kind of measuring kind of chef. I think what's important with a Caesar salad is that you develop this whole kind of a base before you put the olive oil in. Caesar salad, anything that you do, you want to make sure that it is what you like and what your family likes. And adapt your recipes. Don't be afraid to experiment or combine recipes, because you are the boss of your kitchen. The next thing I'm gonna do is add the juice of 1 lemon. All your ingredients that we've put into this Caesar salad tonight have been keto friendly. Olive oil, and I really like this one. Do a taste test, and with your favorite ones, that's what you put in your salad dressing. So kind of balance it out with your lemon. You want to make double the amount of olive oil that you put in on the lemon. Does that even make sense? If it doesn't make sense, then I don't know what to do about that. I think that makes sense. Now, the only other thing that I would like to say to you is about Parmigiano Reggiano. It's Italian Parmesan cheese. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it at specialty stores. It's proclaimed to be the finest Parmesan cheese there is. You know it is Parmigiano Reggiano when it has this kind of a, you can see the metal, I don't know, they make this branding like thing on the outside of the rind. I think that's the best. If you don't want to get the Reggiano, get a good Parmesan cheese. This is your keto friendly chef telling you that's what you should do. I'm friendly. That invented Caesar salad, he did not put anchovies in his Caesar salad, but just don't put anchovies in there. The original Caesar salad dressing did have coddled egg, and that is, you know, a lightly cooked egg. I don't use any egg in my dressing because I don't like a raw egg or even a coddled egg in there. It doesn't need it. The olive oil is great. It will adhere to the lettuce leaves, and you get a great dressing, and you don't need to run that risk of the salmonella. And I'm going to taste it. Pretty darn good. I'm gonna add more pepper because I love pepper. And I also love fresh cracked pepper. So otherwise, I think it's ready to go. Well, I'm going to put a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano on top of it before I toss it. And then I'm going to toss it. And then it's going to be ready to eat. And I'm so excited. Now that's how to serve a Caesar salad. We're listening to a little Darla Z, Sweet Destiny, a song I wrote with my husband. And you can find it on YouTube. Celebrate a wonderful Valentine's Day. I hope you have the love of your life with you. You are enjoying your keto friendly food and all that other jazz. Sayonara. 'Cause